like that.
You need some help?
Yay. I bet if you ask Adam nicely, he'll do it.
I bet he won't. It's kind of a
Can you say please?
bad.
It's okay.
Wait, are you doing ladders?
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Let's check this out. Okay? Look at you.
good
Look
at
at
it.
you looking cute. Huh? What do you think? What do you think? You're always going to do that.
That
loose.
just stays, yeah.
Both hands on it. Other hand too. There you go. Ready, Jimmy?
Permission to zip!
Okay. Okay. Will you hold hands? Put your hand up there.
Yep.
Okay,
All right,
just
ready?
let her go.
One, two,
Let her go.
three!
Here you go, Emma! Come here. What did you just do?
It's the back up. Tell me.
Tell Mom what you just did.
Did you
Did you go on
zip?
the zip? Was it fun?
Yes.
Yes?
Can we get your
Hey.
carabiner?
Hey, is Dad your best friend?